Students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is verb. Defining a verb. A verb denotes an action or being a possession. The guard showed the red flag, action. Anu is intelligent being. I have a beautiful dairy, possession. Transitive, intransitive and incomplete verbs. A verb that requires an object to complete its meaning is called a transitive verb. The patient needs medicine. Medicine is the object of the verb needs, and this object is necessary to complete the meaning of the patient needs. A verb that does not require an object to complete its meaning but has a complete meaning by itself is called an intransitive verb. The girl smiled. The verb smile does not need any object to complete its meaning. Verb like be, is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be, etc. become, appear, seem and look are incomplete verbs and they need complements to complete their meaning. The teacher is intelligent. The word intelligent is needed to complete the meaning of the teacher is. तो यहाँ पे आपके दो तरीके के वर्ड्स होते हैं, ट्रांजिटिव जिनको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है और इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब जिनको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Direct and indirect objects. Transitive verbs can have two types of objects, direct object and indirect object. Direct objects, a noun or pronoun that directly receives the action denoted by the verb in a sentence is called the direct object, and indirect object is a noun or pronoun that receives the direct object to core affected by it is called the indirect object. तो डायरेक्ट दो तरीके के ऑब्जेक्ट आपके होते हैं. एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है सेंटेंस में जो सीधे सीधे आपको वर्ब का एक्शन बताता है, एंड सेकंड वन इज योर indirect object. The indirect object is normally placed before the direct object. The direct object answers the questions. What? For example, Mr. Vikrant bought Akram a laptop. Bought what? Laptop. Direct object. Who received the laptop? Akram. Indirect object. तो आपको ये जो direct object होता है ये आपको what का आंसर देता है एक सेंटेंस में. Dr. Krill taught us science. Us. Indirect object, and science is a direct object. Let's see types of verb. Number one is transitive verb. The verb which acts on something, that is which have a direct object, is called transitive verb. Look at the given sentence. For example, Vanita ate the cookies. In the above sentences, the verb ate is a transitive verb because it is Vanita who is doing the eating and the cooking are the direct object because it is the cookies that are being eaten. तो पहले transitive verbs है जहाँ पे आपके object की जरूरत होती है verb को explain करने के लिए. And then second is your intransitive verb. The verb which does not act on something is called intransitive verb. Look at the given sentence. For example, we travelled to London. In the above sentence, the word travelled is an intransitive verb. London is not a direct object as London is not receiving the action of the verb. तो intransitive में किसी भी तरीके के direct object की action की जरूरत सीधे सीधे object पे नहीं आती है. Verbs of incomplete predication. The common verbs of incomplete predication are be, is, am, are, was, were, seem, appear, look, become, feel, grow, etc. Examples: he became very rich. Vikram is a surgeon. Now let's check yourself. A. Find the error in the following sentences and rewrite the sentences in the space given below. Her father has booked the ticket. Her father has booked the ticket. B. Take the correct option. Her uncle will not scold us. C. Choose the correct form of a verb to match each subject. She sings. D. Underline the verbs in the following sentences and write in each case whether the verb is the transitive T or intransitive I, where the verb transitive name the object. The clock stopped this morning. तो यहाँ पे stopped है, तो यहाँ पे आपके ये आपका intransitive verb है क्योंकि action की जरूरत नहीं हुई है. Fun zone. Use the following words both transitively and intransitively. Open का क्या हो जाएगा? Opens और intransitively वो आपका open ही रहेगा. So students, with this we come to the end of this chapter. Rest of the exercise questions, just do it yourself.